Today we're getting artsy and making a mess with our 36 pack of acrylic pouring paint. You can make unique marble patterns, pour cup designs, or fun splatter paintings. And it comes shipped to your door with everything you need to bring out your inner artist too. Inside the box, you have a project guide with different pouring techniques to try, a pack of gloves, 3 different brushes, and then a wide variety of different colors. There's even some neon and metallic options. And of course, your cell magic. This helps separate the paint and create even more interesting pieces. But I personally haven't tried making something with the cell magic. I used up all the paint doing tons of different projects. Some of my favorites were when I made some custom clocks. I poured different patterns of paint onto a wooden circle, fastened it to my drill, and spun the paint until I got a design that I liked. The metallic paint really shines through the solid color background and looks really cool. I made another one where I poured the paint and let it all slowly run together. This one made an awesome pastel marble glaze. I made one with bright primary colors, and I like this one even more. Depending on the project, I'd thin the paint a bit more with some paint thinner that I bought separately, but for other projects, I would directly use the paint. It's thin enough that you can do fun splatter paint projects. You can literally sling it right out of the bottle. I made some brutal crocs that looked like they were blood splattered. And then I taught some canvases who's boss by slinging layers of paint at them until they make a trippy painting that looks different under each shade of light. With the neon paint, you can hit the black lights and get even more depth. Not all my projects came out good though. I'm new to painting and just having fun and learning. But the good thing is, this kit comes with so much paint that you have room to mess up and learn. I went through this whole box of paint this year and had a ton of fun doing my own art projects. The only downside is, now I have to buy another box. I'm ready to art some more. So if you're looking to try some pour paintings and see what cool results you can make, this kit might just be for you. Till next time, I'm off to go order another box of paint. See ya!